I do this from time to time to take advantage of how quick and easy it is in Procreate to sketch out ideas and try different compositions. Then once I find something I like, I then move to pencil and paper to fully render the sketch. To do this, you'll first need to print your sketch on paper. Then you'll need a method to transfer that sketch onto your drawing paper. There's several ways to accomplish this. If you have a light box, you can simply place your print under your drawing paper and trace the rough drawing. If you don't have a light box, you can accomplish the same thing using a window. Another method is to cover the back of your print with graphite or charcoal and lay it on top of your drawing paper. Then use a pen to trace over all of the lines of your sketch. The pressure from the pen will transfer the graphite onto your drawing paper underneath. The final method is to use a projector. This method also allows you to scale the drawing to different sizes. Simply trace the projected image onto your drawing paper. Once you have your drawing transferred, now it's just a matter of adding all of the tone and textures that pencil and paper provide.